Hey guys, how you doing? Mowers and blowers here. I'm over here in Mineola, and Mineola is pretty nice. It's in the central Nassau County. My parents live pretty close to here, at least my mother does. So today I came over here to Mineola, and the guy was throwing out a free power washer, and basically all he said was that the pump doesn't work, but the engine still works. That's good. I could always use a horizontal shaft engine. That's Tecumseh, obviously. Before I got here, I also saw this on letgo. I saw both of them on letgo. This is a yard machine, 6.75, 190cc, ready start, push mower. Comes with a bagger. I got this in Jamaica, Queens again. How about that, huh? Anyway, off I go. Both of them free. That's right. Free. Hey guys, it's Henry here, Mowers and Blowers. So this is the MyTM Corporation power washer, 2000 PSI power washer. Got for free off of letgo. Got it in Mineola the other day. I was just giving it away. So he said the engine runs, but the pump doesn't. So I know my friend Billy, Mr. Perfect from Atlanta on Instagram. He's an expert at fixing this stuff. I wish I had him with me today. But you know what? This will be my first power washer fix. You know what, man? I mean, you got to try it. You know, it's very heavy, big machine, and it's got a Tecumseh Enduro overhead valve engine. It's a horizontal shaft, so even if I don't get the pump working, it'd be a good snowblower or go-kart motor, you know. First thing I'm going to do is check the oil and put some gas in it and see if at least the engine fires up. One pull, that's all it took. Pretty amazed, actually. One pull, man. You know, I'm gonna hook up a hose and see what happens. So I just hooked up a hose to it, and see what I get. You know, I kind of feel like there's some pressure, because when you let go, look. And when I press it, I feel in the wand that there's some air pressure going to it, just not a lot, you know. I think maybe it's the wand or the pump is busted. I feel like there's some. You know, it's not strong though at all, but I feel like there's some. I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I'll take that thing apart. So I took this piece off, like that. It was kind of tough to get off. I almost stripped it, but I used my ratchet and it worked out. Came out. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing, so I mean, the hole's clear, and there's a spring that goes with this, and you can see the hole through there. So that's clear. You guys see that? So well, I don't know anything else about the plug. Unless there's a hole in there where it allows water to come through, and then there's a valve here that allows the pressure to go through, and I see something in there that's kind of all the way down, and no matter what I do here, right, it's not moving. So maybe that thing's stuck and keeping the pressure from coming into this valve. So I'm going to take this off, me see what I find. So this thing is all the way out, right? And when I loosen this, it doesn't retract, nothing happens. So if I loosen this, nothing happens. If I tighten it, nothing happens. So I loosened it all the way, and I banged this in with a hammer, and it went in a little. So I sprayed gum out carburetor cleaner in this hole, in that hole, and this thing started to move freely now with my hand. So now if I tighten this, this will pull out, but it doesn't retract. So I tried to get these nuts out, right? But it was just so tight that I stripped it. So I'm not going to try it anymore. As long as this is retracted and I put it in, there should be plenty of pressure that gets out, you know? This was extended, so it was blocking the pressure from going into the hose. So now that it's retracted, I'll just put it in like that, put it all back, connect the hose. There should be plenty of pressure coming through. If I wanted to make it more stronger, I guess I'll just turn it a little, you know, and see how it goes. And because I know that it won't be able to properly retract again, you know. But I'm gonna try it and see what happens. If it works, it'd be great. Nope. Still no pressure at all. Hardly any. But I feel it in the hose. So you can see when I do that, the engine's not working all that hard, you know? And I don't feel any pressure in the hose. But then when I turn it, listen. Now I feel pressure in the hose, a lot of it. So I know air's getting in there, or, yeah. Maybe it's the wand that's no good, but I mean the pressure's not that good, you know? Not good at all. Sucks, as a matter of fact. So, you know, I don't know what I'm doing with this power washer thing. I don't know what I need. I mean, it seems to work, you know? I mean, I'm glad, like, the engine works and stuff like that, but, you know, it feels like it's working. Like, you know, when I increase the pressure, I could feel it. You know what I'm saying? But, anyway. We'll see. Maybe my boy, Mr. Perfect Billy, will advise me on what to do next. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.